Hi, this is John from I Buy Sell Repair, based in Level 1 Computers, Northwich, Cheshire. This video is a quick video showing glass-only replacement on a Samsung Galaxy S8. This is the series with the curved screens. The phone has all the components removed. The screen is placed in an LCD freezer. It's frozen to minus 185 degrees Celsius. This causes the glue to lose its viscosity, basically its stickiness, so the glass can be easily removed. It's placed on a mould onto a hot plate. The glue is cleaned off using a rotary tool and alcohol. A new piece of glass is glued onto the old LCD using Loca glue, which is activated by UV light. We're offering this service to all Samsungs with the curved edge screen, so it's the S7 Edge, S8, S9 and S10 series. You can save up to 30% on a full LCD replacement just by having the glass replaced. We're based in the town of Northwich, Cheshire.